Welcome to DashboardSymbols.com. Here we demonstrate opening and starting a late model Buick Encore with push-button start and a dead key fob battery. There's a way to get in and get going, and this video replaces a first try that was unfortunately blurry. First, we'll need to retrieve the mechanical key embedded in the fob. Look for a button on the back of the fob as shown. Push the button and pull the key ring side of the fob with your free hand to remove the key. Unlike a large number of GM models, the keyhole is visible just behind the driver's door handle. Insert the key and turn, and you're in. Note now that if the interior lights or other electronics are not working, the main 12-volt start battery may be dead, and you will need roadside assistance. But it won't hurt to give the following a try. An attempt to start the car fails, so we'll need to find a backup location for the key fob. And Buick has made this a very simple maneuver. Simply drop the fob into the front cup holder with the buttons up and start the car as normal. The car will recognize the key fob even though the fob's internal battery is dead. And you'll be underway. Don't forget to get new batteries for your fobs. For help with other keyless or push-button start cars and key fobs from this or other manufacturers, look for more videos from us here on YouTube, subscribe to this channel, or go to DashboardSymbols.com.